Hi everybody, and welcome to the Raspberry Pi for the older generation. Well, hello guys, hi, welcome to another video, Raspberry Pi for the older generation. Not many more components to go, I hope you're enjoying the videos or learning something. I'm trying to make them as fun as possible, but we'll have to see. Right, what we're going to move on today, the component we're going to be looking at today. Okay, the component we're going to be looking at today is the PIR infrared motion detector with LED indicator. Okay, so this is a component. It has many settings, but we'll go through. We can have the main two settings are you can have a low non-repeatable trigger mode, and that's set by, I don't know if you can see it, this little jumper here. So we've got low and high is a repeatable trigger mode. All right, so it picks up bodies. One is a delay time, and the module is output a low level. During the high level time, the sensor no longer actively senses bodies. So it senses bodies, then once the body goes away, it stops. Then we got the high repeatable trigger mode. The distinction from this to L, right? It can sense bodies until that body leaves during a period of high level output. After this, it starts time and output low level after delaying T time. Okay. So we'll look at the settings and we'll let's go to have a look at the module. Right, this is the module. See that? Okay, and there's 3 pins on the back. Right, there's 3 pins. Now, if we lay it this way, okay, this is how the pins go. We've got ground, signal, and red. This component needs 5 volts. It needs 5 volts. So let's connect her up. Right. I'll get my pen and we're going to go to this. Hang on, let me just check. Sorry, no, it's not that one. It's this one here. Okay, it's got the a sensor. Okay, it's got the sensor. You can just read it. All right, the matrix sensor. Okay, it's got M sense. Okay, just there. So what we do, if we hold it, oh, my red ones come off. Bear with me. Okay, so as you can see it on the board. The first one is ground, just like that. The next one is the GPIO pin, the signal pin. That goes just like that. And then we've got the 5 volts. I don't know if I said, yeah, this module requires 5 volts. Okay, requires 5 volts. So if we look, and that's how it's set up. If we do a straight, just like that. Okay, just like that, as Tommy Cooper used to say. All right, let me just, I'll put that there. We will be have to adjust some of these little screw things later on, and that changes the sensitivity of the PIR. Right, now then, we now need to turn on number 5, blue LED. We need to turn on number 5, the blue LED. So it's number 5 on here, but it's number 3 on the block. All right, that we need to turn on. Okay, got that so far? So that we'll be using the blue LED, and then we've got the sensor. See if we can make this a little bit more accessible. Hang on, bear with me. My OCD. Right, okay, that'll be fine like that. That'll be fine like that. Right, so let's come down to our code. Coming down. Oh, don't know what's happening here. Python code. Okay. So let's go to here and let's open our Thony. Open Thony. File. Open. Let's open our template and okay that. So far so good. All right, so far so good. Right, so we need to import our GPIO pins as GPIO. We do not need to import time. Right, so we get rid of that. Our next attribute is we have to define our pins. Okay, so LED PIN. I don't know if anybody can remember what it is on this board. Yep, it's 11. All right, it's 11. Sensor pin. Capital P on the pin. And that equals 18. All right, 18. Right. Cool. Cool. Now we come down to our setup. And let's get rid of the global P. And of course we want our GPIO all capitals dot set mode brackets on GPIO dot board all capitals brackets off. As you know, that is setting up our physical GPIO numbering. Okay, now it's a GPIO. Remember, now we need a setup to tell what our pins are, whether they're outputs or inputs. An LED pin, okay, comma, GPIO dot, and it's an output. Right, our pin is an output. Brackets off. Then we want a GPIO dot setup, and our sensor pin is brackets is a GPIO dot in. It's an input. All right, our sensor pin is an input. Okay, we can take this else statement out and we're going to our loop, our setup. All right, so let's just make sure we got everything hunky-dory. Make it nice and neat. Okay, our loop. All right. While true is always true. Return auto indent if GPIO dot input brackets on sensor pin, capital P on the pin. Remember, use bumpy text, and it honestly, when you come to debug, if you've got a problem, you can see the sensor pin, you can see where the new words start. Brackets off. equals GPIO, and that's dot high. Okay, and that's colons auto indent. Right, that's colons auto indent. Keep doing this. Let me move this out of the way. Right. So if now it's GPIO dot output brackets on LED pin, capital P on the pin, bracket comma GPIO dot low, all capitals, brackets off. This turns off the LED. Right, now we're going to put a print statement, space, brackets on, quotes. Okay, LED turned off. All right. A few greater thans, quotes, brackets off. So that's our print statement. All right. So return, backspace. We want to come under the if here. Come under the if. Right. Else. Colons, return, auto indent. GPIO, capitals, dot output, brackets on, LED pin, capital P on the pin, comma, GPIO, dot high. And that's brackets off. Turn on LED. All right, this turns on the LED. All right. And then print, brackets on, quotes, LED turned on. Quotes, brackets off. Okay. You can put all these fancy, all right, we'll do it as it says in the, and that's less than. All right. Okay. So, come down. Let me come to here. Simple little program. Def destroy. Dot cleanup. This time we keep the setup. All right. And that's the program done. Save it. Okay, we've saved it. Right. So, yep, short little program. Let's run the program. I'm trying to get out of the way of the sensor. Okay, line 18. Print, it is spelt wrong. You can see that. Right. Let's save that. I'm sure you all saw that before me. A bit of a typo. Let's run the program. Okay, we're turned on. Okay, we are turned on. Now, I'm trying not to move. So what I'll do now is I'll put my hand in front of the sensor. What happened there? Line 14. Line 14. GPIO.output. brackets on, LED pin, comma, GPIO.low. Right. Attribute module, RPI, GPIO not at no attribute output. Ah, another typo. Okay, I forgot the T. Let's try again. Save it. And let's run the program. LED is turned on. LED is turned off. Right, okay, it's working, it's working. Let's go to overhead. So you can see this working. Oh, can you see the blue LED? Yes, you can just, let me move it down a bit so you can see the blue LED. Right, you just see it go off. Okay, are you ready? On, off. LED is on, LED is off. LED is on, LED is off. It's working. Okay, it's working. So that's our sensor. All right, our sensor. What I forgot to do, did you notice this, the mistake? Did you notice the mistake? Okay, let's go back to instruction. I didn't do a save as, did I? So, file, save as. I'm going to call it Sense, SENSE LED. All right, don't forget the .py. So Sense LED, okay. All right. So, move your mouse out of the way. Yep, all working. Hunky dory. Yep. Right. Simple little program that. Quite simple. Simple little program. Got all my mice and everything. Had to move things out of the way. Yeah. So, that's our matrix. Our Sense LED. All right. The component, the motion detection, yeah, infrared, the PIR. Now what you can do on the back of the sensor, change the jumper, play with the, you know, the little screw adjusters, play with them, and see how you can adjust the sensing and adjust the settings. All right, and hopefully you'll understand the PIR infrared motion detector. Okay, hope you enjoyed that quick video. Simple little code. Couple of spelling mistakes only. No big mistakes. Okay, thanks again, and please don't forget thumbs up. Don't forget comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.